you're ready to travel in style with Benro's sleek, compact MeFOTO RoadTrip Tripod. Weighing only 3.6 pounds, but with a payload capacity of 17.6 pounds, this tripod supports everything from point and shoot up to a DSLR with zoom lens. Amazingly versatile, these tripods reverse fold, making them small enough to carry just about anywhere. Whether your forte is panoramas, time lapses, or beautiful still images, the road trip will be your travel companion every step of the way. Available in black or titanium finish, the choice is yours. When trying to lighten your load, compact is key. So at only 15.4 inches when reverse folded, it's ideal for being on the go. Let's go higher. The 5-leg sections extend to a whopping 61.8 inches, giving you the height you need and ultimate versatility with your shots. The rubberized twist locks combined with anti-rotation legs allow for a fast and fumble-free setup, plus weather and dust resistance. Its padded foam grip provides comfortable handling. Want more flexibility? These tripod legs can be independently locked into place at 2 different angles. Shoot in cramped quarters, on uneven terrain, or at low camera angles with no problem. Using the graduated panning scale, you can easily create beautiful, accurate panoramas. The adjustable center column also features the same twist lock system as the legs for a fast, fumble-free setup. A built-in spring-loaded recessed hook below the center column allows you to hang additional weight for increased stability. Who says you can't teach a tripod new tricks? By removing the center column and the padded leg, you can convert this tripod to a monopod for added versatility. The included Q1 triple action ball head contains separate adjustments for pan lock, drag, and ball lock to help make adjustments simple. You can also switch from landscape to portrait shooting orientations easily. The Arca Swiss style compatible quick release plate with a 1/4-20 camera screw is also included, as well as an attached bubble level to prevent uneven pans and head movements. Wait, there's more! The rubber feet can be unthreaded and replaced with the included spiked feet for even more stability outdoors. The included durable carrying case with shoulder strap is perfect for storage and transport. Let's go hit the road and travel light with Benro's MeFOTO RoadTrip Tripod.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. For more of the latest and greatest on camera support gear, subscribe to our Benro YouTube channel.